Morning children. We are continuing the chapter exercise 5 arithmetic progression exercise 5.3. Question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second term is A2 is 14 and third term is 18. So you need to find out sum of 51 term of AP. A2 is 4 and A3 is 8. So A2 is 14 means A plus D. What is A2? A2 is A plus D is 14. So you can write down A is equal to 14 minus D. Here A3 is equal to 18. That is A3 is A plus 2D is 18. This is equation 2. So here you can substitute this A is equal to 14 minus D in this equation. Substitute A is equal to 14 minus D in equation 2. That is A plus 2D is equal to 18. 14 minus D plus 2D is equal to 18. So 14 minus D plus 2D is plus D is 18. Then D is equal to 18 minus 14 is 4. D is equal to 4. If A is equal to 14 minus D, so 14 minus 4 is 10. So you got A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 4. Okay, so we are substituted. So here we are done the substitution method to find out A and D. But if you are taking A plus D is equal to 14 and A plus 2D is equal to 18, you can do by elimination method also. Any method you can do it. You got A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 4. So you want to find out sum of 51 terms. Sum of 51 term is what you should find out, A15 or S15. Sum of first 51 term means it is S15. So you know A is 10 and D is 4. N is 51 term, N is equal to 51. So Sn equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So 15 S51 equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into A. A is 10 plus N minus 1. 51 minus 1 is 50 into D is 4. So it is 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200. That is 51 by 2 into 220. 220 is 110. So therefore S51 equal to 110 into 51. Five, 6, 1, 0. Sum of the first 51 term is equal to 5610. Ninth one. If the sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49, sum of first 7 terms of AP, that is S7. S7 is 49 and that of 17 term is 289. The first 7 term is 49 and that of 17 term, that means sum of first 17 terms, that is S17 equal to 289. Once again I will read. Sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49. Sum of the first 7 terms of AP S7 is 49 and that of 17 terms, that is from the first one 17 term, first 17 term sum is 289. So you have to find out the sum of first 10 terms. Find sum of first n terms. That means you should find out Sn. So what are the given things? Given things are S7 is given 49, S17 is given. So I am writing S7, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus so S7 equal to 7 by 2, 2a plus n is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6, 6b. That is 7 by 2 into 2, I take it out, a plus 3d. What is S7? S7 is given 49. This 2 and 2 cancel. Then a plus 3d equal to 49, this 7 comes here, 7. That is 7. So a plus 3d equal to 7. Second you take this S17 is 17 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 17 minus 1 is 16d. Here also S17 value 289, 17 by 2, 2 you take it out, a plus 8d. Then a plus 8d equal to 289 by 17, that is a plus 8d equal to 17. These are the two equations you got. First equation you got a plus 3d is 7. Second equation a plus 8d is 7. You have to solve these two equations. So I am writing a plus 8d is equal to 17. Second equation. First one is a plus 3d is equal to 7. First equation, subtract 10, 5d. 5d is equal to, this one is becoming 0. 5d is equal to 10 means d is equal to 10 by 5 is 2. So you got d is equal to 2. Substitute d is equal to 2 in any of this equation. D is equal to 2, substitute in equation 1, that is a plus 3d is equal to 7, a plus 3 into 2 equal to 7, a is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Now you need to find out Sn. Write the formula Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2. So n you don't know the value of n, so you write n as n by 2. 2a, a is 1. So 2 into 1 plus value of n you don't know, d is 2. So I substitute d, then open this bracket, n by 2, this is 2 plus n into 2 is 2n minus 2. This 2n plus 2 minus 2 is cancelled. N by 2 into 2n. This 2 and 2 cancel, so it is equal to n squared. So you got Sn equal to n squared. Okay? So first you take, we have taken S7, then you take S17, both here first S7 when you take, you are getting the equation A plus 3D is equal to 7. When you take S7 is equal to 289, you are getting A plus 280 is equal to 17. See both the equation, when you solve it, you can eliminate A from here and you will get the value of D. This value of D, you substitute in any of this equation, you get the value of A. Once you get the value of A and D, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and value of A and D you substitute and open this bracket. This 2 plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled. N by 2 into 2n. So 2 and 2 cancel, it is n square. Next one. Sum of first n terms of AP, 11,000. Sum of first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square. What is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? Then what is the second term? Second term A2. Then find out A3, A10 and AN. Sum of first n terms of AP. So it is Sn. What is the value of Sn? Sn is 4n minus n square. This is the equation given, Sn equal to 4n minus n square. You have to find out the first term. So I am going to substitute n as 1. S1 is 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 minus 1 is 3. You know sum. See, suppose I am writing 3, 5, 7, dash dash. This is an AP. What is the sum of first? S1 means sum of first term. What is the sum of first term? First term is 3. So that means sum of first term S1 is the first term A1. So this one you can write it as A1. Clear? So sum of first term is only one term is coming, that is first term. Therefore S1 is A1. So you are getting A1 is 3. Now I take AN equal to 2. S2 is 4 into 2 minus 2 squared. 8 minus 4 is 4. Sum of two terms is A1 plus A2. What is the sum of two terms? Here 3 plus 5. This is A1, this is A2. A1 plus A2, that is 3 plus 8. That is our sum of two terms. Here also S2 means that will be A1 plus A2. Okay? Sum of the first two terms, that is A1 plus A2. The value of A1 plus A2 you got 4. So you want A1 plus A2 4 and A1 is 3. Can you find out the second term A2? Here A1 plus A2 is 4. A1 equal to 3. So what is A2? A2 is equal to 4 minus A1. This A1 to this side, that is 4 minus 3 is 1. So A1 is 3, A2 is 1. That is the second term. Once you are having A1 and A2, can you find out D? So what is A2? A2 is A plus D. What A2 is A1 plus D. See here. So I will say with 5, 3, 5, 7 dash dash. This is A1 is the first term 3, A2 is the second term 5. How will you find out the common difference? A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 is the common difference. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. The common difference of this AP which is given here is minus 2. Once again I explain. Sn is 4n minus n squared. That is given. I take that n is equal to 1. Then S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 squared is 4 minus 1 is 3. Sum of S1 is sum of one term. Sum of one term is A1, first term. Therefore 3 is A1. Then I have taken n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means 4 into 2 minus 2 squared, 8 minus 4 is 4. Sum of two terms, that is A1 plus A2. So A1 plus A2 is 4. A1 is 3. So A2 is 4 minus 7. 4 minus 1 is 1. Once you get A1 and A2, the common difference D is A2 minus 7, that is minus 2. Now you need to find out third term. Already you are having second term. Then what is the third term? Third term is A2 plus D. What is A2? A2 is 1. 1 plus D is minus 2. So it is minus 1. A3 is minus 1. Then you need to find out continuous term means A4 means you cannot A3 plus D. But you want next is A10. So you can write down A10 is A plus 9D. What is A? A is 3. 9 into minus 2. That is 3 plus minus 18 is minus 15. So A10 is minus 15. A10 is minus 15. Then you would need to find out AN. What is AN? A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3. So it is 3 plus n minus 1. D is minus 2. 3. N into minus 2 is minus 2n plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. So it is 5 minus 2n. So AN equal to 5 minus 2n. So first you have to find out S1. Then you have to find out S2. S2 is S1 is A1. S2 is A1 plus A2. You substitute A1 there and find out A2. Once you get A2 and A1, common difference is A2 minus A1, you got common difference. Then A3 is A2 plus D. That is find out A2 is 1 plus D. A10 is A plus 9D. AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute A and D and open the bracket. You are getting 5 minus 2n. Sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So first number which is divisible by 6 is 6. Second one is 12. So 18 dash dash. So you need to take 40 positive integers. That means this AP 6, 12, 18, 40th positive number you have to find out. That is the last positive integer which is divisible by 6. So here A is 6, D is also 12, my multiple of 6 means D is 6. Then need to find out A40. A40 is A plus 13 and D. 6 6 plus 39 into 6. This is 240. So this AP, the last term is 240. This AP, the last term is 240 because you need to get the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So A40 is that. Then now you need to find out this. There are 40 positive numbers here. So you need to find out sum of first 40 positive integers. S40, Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L because first term and last terms are given here. So S40 is 40 by 2 into 6 plus 240, 20 into 246. So the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 is 4920. Next question. Sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Now only I'll explain I'll give you only AP. First 15 multiples of AP. First is 8, next term is 16, 24, like that. How many times it should be there? 15 multiples of 8. 15 multiples of 8 means, as I have shown in the last question, you find out A15, that is A plus 14D. A is 8, D is also 8, 8 plus 120. So the last term is 120. Then how will you find out first sum of 15 multiples? You have to find out S15. Same formula you should use, Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Here A is 8 and n is, so n is 15. 15 by 2 into 8 plus 120. Solve and find out the answer. One. Sum of odd integers, odd numbers between 0 and 50. You know 0 and 50, first odd integer is 1, 3, 5, dash dash. Last odd integer is 49. Here how many numbers are there? It is not good. You have to find out 10. The last term is 49. So A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. An is equal to 49. We find out An. An is A plus n minus 1 into D. 49 equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. 1 plus 2n minus 2, that is 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 is 49. So 2n is 50, n is 25. Otherwise also you know 50 numbers, odd numbers are 25. But this is the method of finding using the formula. N is 25. Then you can find out Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. N is 25. You need to find out S25. 25 by 2 into A is 1, 1 plus 49. So 25 by 2 into 50. That is 25 into 25 is 625. Therefore sum of the 25, sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. So complete this. So the rest of the question in the exercise, that all our statements are, it is deleted by CBSE this year.